Hello everyone, I am Anuja Sharvastav and today I am just going to teach you about the next topic, that means the part 2 of class 8 chemistry, and the name of this chapter is carbon and its compound. In previous video, that means the first part of this chapter, I already told you about what is carbon, why carbon is very important, what is catenation and what is allotropy. And today I am just going to start the topic allotropes of carbon. Very important topic, allotropes of. So first I am just going to again remind you what are allotropes. So allotropes are the elements that exist in the two or more different forms in the same physical state, but all the physical states having the different physical properties but same chemical properties. Okay, so as we are going to discuss about the allotropes of carbon, so carbon's allotropes are just divided into the two different categories, and the first category is the crystalline form and second category is the amorphous form. So what is crystalline form, you must know. So when we are going to discuss about the crystalline form, the crystalline forms having the regular arrangement and they have the definite geometrical shape. That means जो crystalline form होते हैं उनका definite geometrical shape होता है, जबकि amorphous form का definite geometrical shape नहीं होता है. And also let's see the examples of the crystalline form. So crystalline forms के examples हैं diamond, graphite, and one more examples of this is fullerene. Okay, now if we are going to discuss about the amorphous form of the carbon, so here charcoal, then coal, then lamp black, and other forms are there that I will discuss later on. Okay, now without wasting the time, let us start the first category of the allotrope, that is the crystalline form. In this crystalline form of carbon, first I am just going to discuss with you about the diamond. Now जब भी हम diamond का नाम सुनते हैं, so one thing comes in our mind, wow, what a costly gem it is. Okay, now अब हम diamond की बात करने जा रहे हैं. So diamond, it is a thing that is linked with 4 carbon. That means diamond में क्या होता है, each carbon atom is linked with the 4 other carbon atoms in the tetrahedral shape. In tetrahedral shape. That means कि एक कार्बन एटम जो होता है वो 4 कार्बन एटम के साथ अटैच होता है. Just see here, suppose this is the carbon atom and it is again attached with the 4 carbon atom. Okay, now one carbon atom is attached with the 4 carbon atom. Now this carbon atom, it is again going to attach with the 4 carbon atom. That means what it is going to do, each carbon atom is attached with the different forms of carbon atom, and they are just going to form a complete ring and a 3D structure, 3D network like structure. That is why the shape of diamond is very hard. So let us see the physical property of diamond. So if we are going to discuss about the physical property of diamond, so till now whatever the known substances, known elements are available in the earth, the diamond is the hardest one. Diamond is the hardest substance till now. Now, as you know, it is lustrous, ये बहुत ही shiny होता है. It is colorless. Okay, and crystalline solid, as I told you, crystalline form में होता है. It is transparent and insoluble in any solvent. ये transparent भी होता है and it is not going to just mix with any type of solvent. Now, let us see the density of the diamond. So, the density of diamond is 3.5 gram per cubic centimeter. This is the density of the diamond. Okay. Now, other property, that diamond is a good conductor of heat. It is good conductor of heat, but oppositely it is bad conductor of electricity. It is good conductor of heat, but it is bad conductor of electricity. Okay. Now, it burns at 850 to 1000 degrees Celsius in air. That means इतने high temperature पे ये burn होता है and then it is going to form carbon dioxide. That means when diamond is burned at 850 to 1000 degrees Celsius, it is going to form carbon dioxide. Now let us see the uses of diamond. So when we are going to discuss about the uses of the diamond, so as you all know, it is used for cutting glass. It is also used for drilling rocks. It is used for drilling rock. As you all know, it is a very costly gem. So that's why it is also used for making the jewelry. It is also used for making the tungsten wire, which is used in the electric filament. Okay. Now, let us see the other crystalline form of the carbon, that is the graphite. So, as in diamond I told you, each carbon atom is attached with the 4 carbon atom and form the tetrahedral structure. So, in graphite, each carbon atom is linked with the 3 other carbon atom. Each carbon linked with 3 other carbon. And which is going to form a flat hexagonal structure. That means in graphite, in diamond you have seen the tetrahedral structure, and in graphite you can see the hexagonal structure. Okay. Now let us see the physical properties of the graphite. कि इनकी physical property क्या होती है. So when we are going to discuss about the physical property, so as I told you, the diamond is the hardest substance, but granite, it is the soft substance as well as flaky. Then if we are going to discuss about the color, it is grayish black. And it is also lustrous. Then the other thing is there, just like a diamond, it is not dissolved in any solvent. It is density varies. Density varies from 2.09 to 2.3 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, now if we were discussed about the diamond, it was good conductor of heat but bad conductor of electricity, but it is good conductor of heat and electricity both. Okay, now let us see the uses of the graphite. Quickly let us see the uses of the graphite, that whatever the uses of graphite. So one uses everyone is knowing, that graphite is used as an electrode. It is used as electrode in dry cell. Okay, other thing is there, it is used as lubricant in machine. To reduce the friction. It is also used for making polishes and paint. Okay, it also mixes with the clay and used as lead in pencils. The very important, as I told you, everyone is using, it is used as lead in pencil. Okay, so this is all about the uses of the graphite. Now the other crystalline form of diamond, that is the fullerenes, I will teach you in the next video, and this video is now over here, so wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.